Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time being here, you are highly welcome. My name is Melissa, and today I'm going to show you how to use the contour tool in Cricut Design Space. Now, I use the contour tool to do this top that I'm wearing, this t-shirt that I'm wearing. I got the image of Design Bundles. It was a free image. It's just a lady in a messy bun, but the image came like this, and I changed it so that the headband that the lady is wearing is of a different color. So if that is something that you're interested in, please keep on watching. I'm going to show you how you could use the contour feature in Cricut Design Space. When I started learning Cricut Design Space, I did not understand the contour feature, but I have tried and tried and tried, and I think I have a good knowledge on how to use it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload an image. Now, this is the image that I'm going to use to do this video. I got this image of um, Design Bundles. It was a free image, a woman in messy bun. And what I want to do is I want to change the headband that the lady have on to a different color using the contour tool. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the image. You'll see that it is highlighted, and you're going to add it to your canvas. No, when it comes in, it's gonna come in very large. You could go down to your viewers percentage here, and you could take it down a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna take it down a little bit smaller. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to duplicate this image. So now I have two of the same image on my canvas. So what you want to, when you duplicate your image, what you're going to do is I'm going to leave this one to the side. I'm going to take this down a little bit more because I want you to see exactly what is happening. So I put it close to the edge because I want you to physically see what I'm doing when I'm contouring it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go down to my layers panel, and at the bottom right here, you're going to see this tool called contour. So you're going to click on it, and what you're going to find is that the image that you want to contour will come up. Okay? So what contour does is that it hides or take away the parts of the image that you do not want. So what you're going to do, you're going to go down to hide all contours. And if you notice right here, what happens, the only thing that is on my screen is the outline basically of this woman. All the little all the little cuts are out, the white parts are gone. Because I want the headband alone, what I'm going to do, I like working in this area. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click one part of the headband, and then I'm going to go to the top here, and I'm going to take that away. Now, if you notice, if you look right here, you'll notice that the only thing that is showing, everything is gone. The only thing that is showing is the little piece of headband that is left. And I need you to understand that when you're contouring, there's always going to be one part of the image left. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click the parts that I do want. So I'm going to click this part. You see that it comes up right here. I'm going to click this part because it's a part of the headband. I'm going to click this part because it's a part of the headband. And I'm going to click this part right here because that is also a part of the headband. The rest of the things, I do not need them. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to come out of this. All right. So here you have the headband only. And I'm going to put the view up a little bit closer for you to see what I'm doing. So this is what we have now. This is my headband. What I'm going to do, I'm going to change this to a different color, right? So I say I want my headband to be red. I'm going to change it to red. I go up here, so I click on the image, you go to where it says operation, you choose the color that you want. If you need it to be purple, you could choose that, but I want mine to be red. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it on my image like this. So now you have this lady, instead of wearing a white headband or just a normal basic cut, you jazz it up a little bit for her to be wearing a red headband. Now, in order to, I have put this on a shirt. I just wanted to show you how I did it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add some text to this. So I go over here where it says text, and I'm going to add don't. I want that don't touch my, all right. So I'm gonna do don't touch because I want to curve this font, okay? So I'm gonna move it over a little bit and I'm gonna choose another text. I'm gonna put my curls with an exclamation, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to, you notice this move because I haven't grouped them. I'm gonna group these so that it doesn't move, okay? So you go here, you highlight everything, you group it. So if you notice, I'm moving it around my canvas without it pulling apart. So what I'm going to do for the don't touch, I'm going to use a system font. So automatically when you type something in Cricut Design Space, what you'll find is that it will just default to Cricut Sans. So I downloaded a font from dafont.com and I saved it to my computer. It's called BBAS, right? So I went to systems and I type in BBAS and then you see it come up. So I'm going to take it up a little bit bigger. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this to a red and I'm going to curve this font. So what you do, you highlight it and you go up here to curve, and I want it to be curved over. So I'm going to move it to the right and I'm going to curve. And I think that looks okay. Okay. And then I'm going to take this one, I'm going to change it to the same thing, VBUS. Okay. And I'm going to take it to the bottom and I'm going to curve it upwards. So I'm going to go to the left. I think this is okay. And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger just to match what is happening. Okay. And I'm going to change the color to a red. So I want the size to be a little bit more proportional to the top one. So this is what you're going to have. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to group everything because I want to take it up a little bit more. So this is what you're going to have. Now, if you want to put this on a surface or curve, what I'm going to ungroup for a little while, I'm also going to ungroup this part. Okay? What you need to do when I'm cutting this, I want everything to cut. The red to cut on the same mat and the white, the black, the girl to cut on another mat. You're going to go over here and you're going to select the red headband, press shift, do the text, my curls, and do the text don't touch. And you're going to attach those. Okay? So when you do that, what you'll find is that all of this is now attached. Okay? So I'm going to put it back exactly there. And when you go to make it, you're going to realize that this is on one mat and then this is on another mat. Now, because we're putting this on a shirt, or I have put this on a shirt, I'm just showing you the procedure. What you need to do is you have to mirror your image, okay? Always mirror your image, and then you're going to press continue. When you press continue, it's going to search for your device, what you're connected to, okay? So I'm just gonna cancel that. All right, so this is how you could use your contour tool in Cricut Design Space. So if you find this video helpful, do not forget to give me a giant thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified each time I make a video. Until we meet, I'll see you soon. Bye.